on your fingertips.
Oh my
These big old
God.
bass strings is-
Oh, I
And
know, huh?
Yeah, my.
I would be
I
like
had to
going
start
with
like-
How you doing?
I
the
started
smallest.
shifting in some
Are you
different
okay?
fingers, cause that was mostly on one string. I was trying to figure out some other places to like play and stuff.
Yeah.
I need to figure that out.
Well, and then you got your circle of fifths, so if you're an F, then you know you got your C as relative,
Yeah,
right?
put a little C in there. just
So
to-
you can throw a little C, a little G, a little notes from the G scale, notes from the F.
Yeah.
And then also, like I said, look at the chord, and then you can pluck notes out of the chord
Yeah.
itself. Because if any note that's in the chord is going to work.
Yeah.
And then if it's too high, then go, oh, well, this works, but where's the, and then go back to that lower.
It's so nice to add that flavor, cause like, you guys.
Yeah, it makes it sound like you're on your way. Well, and you're on your way somewhere too. It makes you feel like you're on a journey to this next place and stuff.
Cool.
You might want to get a little more overdrive in those high strings.
On mine? Oh,
No,
on
no,
yours.
you're ringing high strings.
Oh, like too much?
No, yeah, we don't want to hear any of that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's
Not-
my territory with those octaves.
Okay.
You need to be